when it comes to giving feedback, because for us to learn, especially as a leader or as a team member, we have this kind of university or this institution that we are surrounded by in people. So it means that if you've got 5 people that work with you, you have 5 opportunities for you to grow, because these people can give you feedback. But why is it that we dread feedback, or we're so scared of feedback? It's because it is not in line with how we've evolved in terms of our human nature. So feedback is basically at the core of who we are as human beings. We want to grow, but at the same time, we don't want to feel that we are less than. So now feedback exposes you to be as if you are less than, whereas in your nature as a person, you want to always feel that you're on top of things. So this is something that feedback is about. So we need to understand how to deal with feedback, and I'll get to share how you go about, understanding the way you have to give feedback as well as the way you have to receive feedback.